Thanks, Caitlin, and truly, thanks, Lou. Lou's been a long time, an enormous partner of Symphony, almost since day zero, and his insights and his innovation have really helped us make our product better and helped us do a lot of things really exciting in the operations space together. Personally, every year for me, I think about how can Innovate help you, the audience, the market, think about Symphony a little bit differently than how you maybe came in thinking just an hour and 45 minutes ago. What can we do to help you understand that? So if you came in today thinking, oh, Symphony, that's that capital markets chat app. It's used by a lot of the largest dealers and asset managers. And it's a chat app. Great. But hopefully today you come away saying, well, maybe it's a chat app, but maybe it's also a secure middleware for inter-firm communications for people and for data. And that can be used by operations teams, of course by trading teams, by banking teams, but also increasingly the wealth management teams and how they're thinking about B2C communication, as well as even insurance firms that were becoming increasingly part of the Symphony story. And that, of course, that secure middleware can be embedded in our own application, Symphony. So it can power the Symphony app, but it can also power your own proprietary app, like you saw with CME Direct earlier today. Or it can be used to connect to WeChat or WhatsApp or SMS, and increasingly can be connected via Microsoft Teams, so that no user is actually on the Symphony app, but still taking advantage of the power of the Symphony middleware. Similarly, if you came here today thinking, oh, Cloud9, that's that software-based trader voice tool that's used, I think, mostly in the energy markets. True, but you've seen it flex to much more of a multi-endpoint solution that can be used on your mobile device, on your tablet, on your laptop, on your PC, but also with our dedicated device, our Cloud Hub. And that these experiences can flex not only to the user persona, but to the user persona on that day. So if that trader has to work from home that day, Cloud9's, there's no even competition for what the best solution is. And of course, not only the end user experience, but it's backed by the resilience and the compliance that you saw from the team today to power trader voice for the largest banks in the world. All of this being done without compromising our day zero commitment to being the best and the only trader voice solution that is cloud native, full stop. And if you thought both of these products, both Symphony Messaging and Cloud9, was really about user-to-user communication, and that's where the value prop end, I hope you're definitely taking away today that you're seeing how we've taken our bot capabilities. 2,000 plus bots run every day. 2/3 of our users interact with bots every day. And you've seen how we're extending that into the world of agents, using the same secure, compliant, identity-based network to drive agent experiences and to deliver data and insights to your counterparties. And how Cloud9 is extending itself to provide you not just the voice pipes between trading desks, but to provide the tools like analytics and transcription to understand those conversations better, to be used for better trading decisions, better risk management, better compliance decisions. And we've shown you today a couple of key demos and had a few conversations to hopefully back that up. Dietmar spoke about our confidential cloud product, enabling you to be ready for a world of post-quantum cryptography fully in the cloud while keeping true to Symphony. We end-to-end encrypted with your control over your keys. No one else can access your data, not even Symphony. Rich and Carrie showed us how we've extended our Teams interoperability so that now even you can access Teams users can access the Symphony community. So that if you're a firm on Teams and you need to connect to your counterparty who uses Symphony, you don't have to resort to email anymore. You can create that bridge between your two organizations. Rob and Rich showed the AI Studio and how we're creating agentic workflows with our flexible capabilities so that you can use our tools to create an agent, or for our largest organizations that definitely have their own agentic and MCP agendas already well in place, you can connect those directly into Symphony so that you can take advantage of our identity and control framework to expose those agents to your customers and your counterparties. And Antoine and Dana, they showed Cloud9's new modalities, the new flexible end user experiences that also are powered by our new compliance and analytics tools that give you the transparency that if you're using a legacy trader voice solution, you can't even imagine. And perhaps more importantly, you've seen our customers and partners on stage with us. You saw Stuart showing CME Direct with Symphony embedded in it, bringing direct communication into the CME Direct portal to power their exchange products. You saw Aaron talking about Intellimation and showing the demo of how they're bringing agentic AI into pre- and post-trade workflows, from document management to margin and collateral management. And then Ryan and the TrueMid team using Symphony not as a person-to-person communication, but actually as a data delivery mechanism for that last mile of getting large end-of-day files to the right user at the right time, bypassing the legacy systems of SFTP sites and S3 buckets to be able to connect using, again, Symphony as that secure rail. And of course, Lou and BlackRock, our longtime partner, talking about how Symphony and Aladdin are coming together to help solve more and more of the operations workflows to bring our world into a more automated and more efficient world, especially as we all face the challenges of T1 that have come in the US and are obviously coming to Europe soon. So taking that all together, we've hopefully shown you how we keep your most important information secure, how we help you be connected to your customers the way you need to be and the way they want to be, and that we can weave intelligence through every interaction, whether that's agent to agent, agent to human, or even human to human, of course. Now, hopefully this human is intelligent enough to stop talking and let us all get to drinks. So if anything you saw today was of interest, please see us at the demo booth in the next room. Our team is there ready to show you anything that we talked about today. Drinks are also in the next room along with networking. And we'd love to see and talk to all of our customers and partners here tonight. A huge thank you to all of you for coming, braving the rain. We appreciate it, and thank you so much. A huge thank you to the Symphony team, both those of us who are here on stage today, as well as the many more who are behind the scenes making the demos and event possible. And of course, a huge thank you to our customers and partners, especially those on stage with us. I know very well that braving internal approvals to be able to show product and to be up on stage is it's a mammoth task. So a true thank you. Thank you to everybody. Have a wonderful evening.